Promise you I'll change your mind. Just let me free you. Keep this between me and you. Let me free your mind.
My lips is dry. You know I can't do that. No dry lips over here. Okay, so what's good to all my cousins? Period. My cousins, period. Thank you. Y'all already know what it is. We're back at it. Booming, bomb, and all that. But before we get into this tutorial, I need to show y'all something somebody sent me that's just marvelous. I gotta show y'all this. Okay, so somebody sent me a backpack. It's cute. Look at it. It's leather, black. It's simple but cute. Company that sent me this backpack is called High Spirit, and I went on their website and they actually got a lot of bomb bags. They got fanny packs and backpacks. When I seen this one, I just had to. So the thing y'all don't know, y'all probably thinking like,
Oh, it's just a backpack. It's just a bag.
no, this is an anti-theft backpack, meaning can't nobody steal from me. And mind you, I needed one of these because somebody actually tried to steal from me out of my backpack before. So I needed one of these. I seen that they said anti-theft. I'm like, huh? Yeah, I need that. So look, as you can see, ain't no zipper right here. Ain't no zipper right here. It's a lock for right here. That's where you unzip your backpack at. And you go inside, it's red interior. Bomb. They ain't gonna know how to steal from me. When I put my bag on, I love it. So if y'all need y'all a bag like that, make sure you check my description box. Thank you. Now let's get into this tutorial. Alright, so the tutorial I'm doing today is simple because I asked y'all what tutorials y'all want me to do. Y'all didn't say nothing special, so I'm gonna do my 2 puffs. I don't think I ever did a tutorial on my 2 puffs. What you gonna need for this video: rat tail comb, of course, edge control. I use the same one every time. A toothbrush for your edges, a brush, gel. That's what I do. I use gel and edge control, not just one. I use both. Thank you. Before I started this video, I had put some moisturizer in my hair because trust baby, when I woke up, I looked like a scarecrow. So I had to put some stuff in my curls to get them back alive. So now my curls is out. They're here to play and here to stay. I think I want to do zigzag parts. Zigzag part, because y'all know me. That's my thing. Thank you. Do zigzag parts like halfway and then down. So that's what I'm about to do real quick. If you don't know how to do zigzag parts, make sure you go watch my parting tutorial because I did that tutorial for y'all. So let's get into it. Parting, I always start off this way. Always turn that way first. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm right-handed. I need to figure out how I'm wearing my hair to this BT thing because I need to look the best. Period. Because I don't really want to get my hair done just for one day. I don't want to have to put heat on my hair just for them people. I hope it looked right on me because it was kind of big. We're getting there. We're getting there. Ooh. Nap, 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 nap. Ooh. Ow. Ooh. My nails keep getting stuck. Did I show my nails already? I think I did. Period. Alright, so I just finished parting it. When I got to the middle, like to where I couldn't see what I'm parting no more, I just went straight down because I can't zigzag part my whole head. So I just zigzagged like halfway and then I went down. But I always, when I'm done, I always put one in the ponytail so I could pay attention to the other one and have this one out the way. Get your edge control, slick your hair. Thank you. Put your edge control. If you want your hair to be real slick, you need to put your edge control towards the beginning of the part, like right there, and just go up. Go up. This hair tutorial, it's not that hard. It's literally you just slicking your hair real good and you putting it in high puffs. I need some Eco Styler. I don't know what happened to mine. Like, it just disappeared. Alright, so I couldn't find my Eco Styler gel, so I'm gonna be using this little bit of stuff that I got left, because this be working too, I'm not gonna lie. I need to go straight to the beauty supply after this, because I don't got no more hair stuff. Alright, so now I'm about to just start brushing and slicking it to death. Slick it to death. Slick it with your heart. Boom. There go one puff. Now we're gonna do the other one. Make sure you leave some edges out. Make sure you put in the other one in the ponytail. Make sure you line it up with the other one so one don't be higher than the other one, crooked or lopsided. Make sure you line it up right. I'm trying not to get pieces from this one in this ponytail. Boom! Then you could make them into buns if you want. But I'm about to do my edges to make it look cute first, to see if I like it like this. I'm gonna try to do some dramatic edges for y'all. I need a swoopy. When I do my sideburns, I put my finger and I push my piece of hair up like I like to curl it. I slick this down and I put my finger at the bottom, brush the curl over, and it makes it like curl like that. But yeah, y'all see, they look smaller on camera than in real life. Alright, so y'all wanted me to show y'all how I get my puffs, my 2 big puffs, and this is how I get it. It's super easy. Like, literally all you do is slick your hair real good, do some edges, put it up tight, high, and boom, you're in the game. So I'm about to go to the beauty supply, give me some hair stuff so I could do my hair for tomorrow, the BET experience. Let me know if y'all want me to vlog that and all that, because I'm gonna be meeting a lot of Instagram people. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. I hope y'all liked this tutorial, because I tried my best. So other than that, make sure you like this video if I did it good, if I explained it good, and like this video if you want to see more videos of me. Other than that, you already know what it is. Follow me in my business pages. Stay tuned for more of me, because you're getting more of me and all that. Period. The poppin' way. Thank you. Next.
Promise you I'll change your mind. Just let me free you. Keep this between me and you. Let me free your mind.